In the market for a 2011 Hyundai i30.
Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle
Choosing a car with low kilometres is the right choice.
that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors.
You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.